Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to model a custom paneled roof using the massing tool in Revit. To save time, I have a ready building model created specifically to demonstrate the roof placement. Before creating the paneled roof, let us first understand the dimensions and levels. I will go to level 1 to check the base dimensions. Always verify reference levels before starting mass modeling. Now, we will open a new family template. Go to the Conceptual Mass folder and select the metric mass template. Then go to level 1 and use the reference plane tool to create lines based on the dimensions we observed in the building model. Here, I am changing the reference plane color to green from object styles to cover an additional topic within the same video. You can reduce the video playback speed while practicing for better understanding. Now that the reference planes are ready, we will add points using the model option. Place the points as shown. Then go to the Reference tab. Select the Spline tool and connect those points. Switch to the 3D view, select the created lines, and click Create Form from the ribbon. This creates the basic roof surface. Now adjust the shape as required. I forgot to save this family earlier, so let us rename and save it properly. I will name this family Curved Glazed Roof. Now, load this family into the project and check whether it fits properly within the building model. Adjust its height and position as needed. It looks fine, so I will return to the family file. Since the form fits correctly, we can proceed. Select the surface and click Divide Surface from the ribbon. Right now, it is just a simple grid. From the Properties palette, select the rectangular pattern. You can see the roof immediately changes into panels. You can also adjust the number of panels if you want them smaller or larger. Now, we need to design our panel. Go to New Family and select the Curtain Panel Pattern-based template. Once the file opens, select the reference planes and click Create Form to generate the extrusion, which will act as our panel. Then adjust the thickness from the Properties palette. Next, we will create the outer frame. Press Tab to select the panel and type HH to temporarily hide it. Go to the Model tab, select the Point tool, and place points on the required reference planes to form the frame shape. Once done, type HR to reveal hidden elements. Now the panel with the outer frame is ready. Now we will create a material parameter for the panel. Select the extrusion and create a material parameter as shown. Then go to Family Types and assign a glass material. After that, load this pattern-based family into the curved glazed roof family file. Select the mass roof and change the pattern from the Properties palette. Choose Rectangle pattern 1200 x 1200. You can now see the pattern applied to the mass roof. Finally, load this family into the Building Project file and select the Override option. Now you can see the glass paneled roof created using massing. I will quickly increase the length and width to adjust it properly within the building. You can see the size updating on the screen. Let us cover one more important point. We will create a rotation parameter. Go back to the family file, select the mass, and create the rotation parameter as shown. Once ready, load the family into the project again. Now you can see the updated design with rotation applied. Now you can see that our roof is ready. And that is how you create a complex paneled roof using massing. I will make a few final adjustments to the size and materials. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and as we are growing, be a part of it by subscribing this channel. Thanks for watching. Please share your feedback in comments, and you can also connect us on our Insta and LinkedIn page mentioned in our description. Thank you again.